Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to always show or hide the bookmarks or favorites bar in the Microsoft Edge web browser. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So I just want to put a quick note out there. If you are running an older version of Windows 10, you might be using an older version of Microsoft Edge. We're going to be using the newer Chromium version of Edge, which is still available for free through the Microsoft website, but I believe will be included in a future Windows 10 update. So everybody should just be automatically updated to this new version of Edge eventually. So anyway, now that we've opened up the Edge browser, you want to select the menu button. So select the settings button right up in the top right corner, and then select settings near the bottom of the drop-down menu. Select the appearance option on the left side, and now you have the option to always show the favorites button by having this toggle to the right, and it should be a blue oval if it's turned on. If you want to turn that off, just toggle to the off position, and you can see it now appears or disappears depending on if you want to have it up there. So pretty straightforward tutorial here, guys. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.